Don't buy it. Watch our video till the end so you won't make any mistakes and you'll see exactly which tool is better for you. We'll share our own experience. So let's get started.
If you're trying to choose between Figma and Sketch for UI UX design in 2026, I've been using both for about 6 months, and they are two powerful tools with very different approaches. Figma is probably the most popular choice for modern design teams. I liked how easy it is to collaborate in real time, share files, and work with developers through the browser. It works on different platforms, has a huge plugin ecosystem, and makes teamwork much smoother. The downside is that some advanced features can depend on your subscription plan, and large projects may require good file organization to stay manageable. Sketch has been around for a long time and is still popular among many professional designers. I liked its clean interface, powerful design features, and smooth experience for macOS users. It feels very focused on UI design and gives designers a lot of control. The downside is that it is limited to Apple devices, and collaboration features are not as seamless as Figma's. The biggest thing to pay attention to is your workflow. If you work with a team, collaborate remotely, or need easy sharing with clients and developers, Figma is probably the better choice. If you are a Mac user who prefers a dedicated desktop design tool and already have a Sketch workflow, it can still be a great option. After using both, I'd say Figma is better for most modern UI UX teams, while Sketch is better for designers who prefer a traditional Mac-based experience. So, in one sentence, Figma wins on collaboration and flexibility, while Sketch wins on focused design tools and native Mac performance. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tool reviews. Thanks for watching.